Alright, so first thing, always unplug your negative battery cable to ground when you're modding your car, doing anything. So first thing, we'll get the fuel rail unplugged. There's two green tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top. Squeeze those together, and this should pop right. Be careful, some fuel might come out of here. Mine's been sitting all night, so you can see there, that's what it looks like. So you just squeeze those together, and this will pull right off. And then unplug your injectors. Just like that. And then you're going to want to disconnect this ground. It's also a 10 mil. Pop that loose. Screw that. Once got that loose, you want to pop these off. What you do is push this tab backwards towards the motor. And all the injectors are loose. Injector clips are loose. Wires. And then you got, set that aside. Then you got two 12mm nuts. Pop that loose. Loose. Oh, that's sitting right there. So once you got those two loose, you got that off. It should just come up out of here. This work. Just like that. There you go. You got your rail off. These are stock injectors. So now we're going to install the injector into the fuel rail. This is the way you want to install it, with the little clip on the back and the plug facing that way. So flip it over. Got a little fuel right here. Should probably be wearing gloves when you do this, but use the fuel as a little bit of lubricant. I'll put a little inside there. So go like this. Boom. Pops right down there like that. Now you just need a little bit of fuel. You don't need a lot. I need a ton of fuel. Just a little bit. Slide right in there. So I'll go ahead and do all four of those. Alright, so now what I need to do is take a flathead to pop this cover off. What you do is you put it down like this, push, and then just kind of turn it back. And it'll come out of there. It's kind of just like that. So put it right here, push down, and down.
Pull back. Down, pull back. Just like that. Now you don't need to do this if you're running the stock fuel rail. This is for the hybrid fuel rail. So not too worried about.
That's that. Now get the clips off, you're gonna want a little flathead. Push, pops right out. So it's a little tiny flathead. Get it right between there, push it in, up, pops right out. And then you want to get that green gasket out of there, like that. And then you got to get the clips loose. You need a little pick. I got these long tweezers. The pick is the little pin clip is way down in there. You can't even see it. But if you just run your pick or whatever down the side of it, you'll feel it. And then you just push it back. Down. Push it back. Might take you a couple times. Find it. There it goes. It's right on the. That one's loose. So if you just run your pick or whatever down the side of the pin and try not to damage it, you'll feel the clip right there. Just push it backwards. Just like that. Slides right up off there. So the pin is all the way at the bottom. So you need something real skinny, either like a pick or whatever you got. And that's it. I'll do the rest real quick. Again, be real careful not to, when you're popping that clip loose, it's like right here on the side down there. Don't bend this if you're gonna reuse them. So while I'm doing that, I got my fingers on the bottom. I'm just pushing up on the clip at the same time. So as it comes loose, it'll automatically pop up off there, just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall my injectors. Kind of the same thing. I'm gonna use a little fuel, just as lubricant. At the ends a little lubed. And then now you do not need a lot of pressure to get these in. They should slide right in. Feel it pop in, that's it. Now to install the clips, you want to have a yellow with black on the opposite side of the clipping mechanism. So, something like that. These are the stock pins. The kit did come with these pins for these clips, but the stock pins will work. These just fit a little better, but the stock pins do work. And these clips, so turn it this way so that the little clips fit up in there tight. So black and yellow, opposite side of the clip mechanism, like that. Get them both up in there so you don't bend one. Just like that. Push them up. You'll feel them click in. And that's it. Do all four like that. And then this little white part, you just pop it down on. Just like that. Alright, so you don't want to forget to pull this clip off the stock fuel rail. This needs to go on there, just like I did on the stock one. Little windows right there, you can see it clips on. Now, reinstall your two 12mm nuts. So now again, when you tighten this down, start by hand. Just get them snug. These do not need to be super tight, because you will break the little clips off. So just get it hand tight, and then you're just snugging it. I'm just snugging it down. Not too tight, because it will bend and hurt the injectors. And then just reassemble everything.
Pops on.
And that's it.